Check it out, I just finished the installation of these full flares from Flarespace on my van. It was the first project I did, so the van is finally starting to take shape. And I really love these flares. I'm gonna give you guys an overview of what it took to install them. We also did a full installation video on these flares, so if you buy the flares on Vanland, we'll send you the video, or of course you can join the Vanland Club and you get all of our videos for free. But let's take a look at these Flarespace Full Flares and I'll tell you why I love them so much. So I really love the style of the new Flarespace Full Flares. There's a couple details on here that I think they really did a great job on, and they hit the mark in terms of styling and adding something onto your van that is definitely not a Sprinter component, but it almost looks like it was made by Mercedes. So starting with this line right here, it is kind of molded into the flare. It matches the lines that the Sprinter has put on right up here. They put those on this most recent edition of the van to keep that area from warping. On the older vans, there was no stamped in line there, and you would get dimples in it once the installation was done. So that's number one. And number two here, it's subtle, but from the back, you can see the beautiful extension of the taillight line going right into the flare. So it just really makes it look like it was meant to go on this vehicle, like it was tested and analyzed based on how the Sprinter looks. So there we have it, full flares. All right, let's jump in. I'll show you guys what it took to install these things. I have all the prep work done. The flares are ready to go up. I put some tape up so when I hang the flare, I have a way to secure it while I get everything in place. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the seal on and hang the flare. Got some goop on your van like I did here, then don't worry, we're going to be able to get it off. I got some of the adhesive here, there, and a bunch right there. But we're going to clean it up with some isopropyl alcohol and make it all better. My flares are installed and I've waited a few days for them to totally cure. Just gonna spray the water on here for a few minutes. Try to simulate a very heavy rainstorm. I'm very happy because there are no leaks. All right guys, that is it. These are the Flarespace Full Flares on my new van. I'm really excited. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below, but otherwise we will see you again next time.